Hi guys, Mama Mita here today, and I have a video for you for how to make oat milk. Now, if you're not familiar with oat milk, it's made from rolled oats, and it's just so incredibly easy to make. You can enjoy it by a cup with your favorite flavoring in it. You could put coconut extract, whatever you want to put in it. You could put grind it up with a little bit of date in it, a little date. Anything you might want to put in vanilla to give it more flavor, and you can use it in your recipes. It's just a great thing to have. I like oat milk, so I thought I would show you because I'm kind of shocked about how easy it is to make this oat milk, but how expensive it can be. I mean, and even sometimes when you go to Starbucks and you want to get a coffee, in the past, I had trouble just even getting the oat milk in there. Some of them, the coffee shops won't put oat milk in anyway. But I'm going to show you how easy it is. So let's get started on that. So, first off, you would want to have your rolled oats, and those just like what you have for like oat milk. And I usually like to buy the organic, and I bought 3 cups of organic oats for 61 cents from the co-op. And so to make this, if you was going to buy this one, this would be like $2.39 on sale. Sometimes you can get them for $5, but you have to really look for this price, because I mean these things can get up there. And mine's going to come out to be $1.03 to make this same product, but without the salt. I don't add salt in mine. You can add a little pinch of salt. I don't, and I don't have the preservatives in it. It'll last you for 5 days in the refrigerator. You want to keep it cold, and I keep it in a mason jar. So now you see how it's separated? That's not a problem. This is really cold. That's not a problem. When it separates like that, before you want to drink it, you're just going to give it a little shake. That's why I like it in the mason jar, not in a pitcher. Why to put it in a pitcher and then you have to stir it up and all that, and you might not get the bottom. Just give it a little shake and it's good to go then at that point. Okay, so to get started, some people like to soak the rolled oats about an hour. Let me put my camera down where you guys can see it a little better here. Okay, let's see if that's a little better now. I think so. Okay, some people like to soak the oats for about an hour. I did today, but really and truly you don't have to do that, because what happens is it kind of makes it slimy. And some people don't like it slimy. I'm okay with that, because I mean, like, to me, I just add a little bit more flavor and that's fine. But these were soaked, and then you're gonna take 4 cups. Let me bring that camera over here. You're going to take 4 cups of water, and I used filter water, okay, because we buy our water here. We don't go off of the creek. I don't trust that water business. Anyway, so you're going to put the rolled oats. You're going to only put 1 cup of rolled oats into the filtered water. It can get kind of messy sometimes. The other day I made one, and I forgot to put the lid on it right. Oh boy, that was a mess. Okay, so now, and then you're going to add about 1/4 of a cup. I like to add 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup. So that's where if you did not add the maple syrup, then your price would go down way below $1. If you were just adding a little sugar or something else. But the maple syrup, 1/4 of a cup for the 4 cups of this, comes out to be 83 cents. So that's what brought my price up to be more money, okay? Let me just adjust this camera one more time to make sure that I got it going right. Okay, there we go. I think so now. Okay. So I'm going to take my 1/4 of a cup of the maple syrup in. All right. And then I pour that into the Vitamachine. You need to have a high-powered blender for this. The Vitamachine works for me great. I've had this thing for, I don't know, geez, Louise, maybe 10, 12 years. It's so old, oh my goodness, but it's still going. Let's hope it doesn't blast everywhere and throw this stuff everywhere. And you only want to run it on high for about a minute. Don't go too long because then it becomes more slimy. And you don't want it to be like that. And you can add anything you want to. You can add a little bit of vanilla to it if you want the flavor of banana. Then you can put a little bit of banana extract. You can do anything you want to with this milk. Now I think that's good enough. Okay. So I run it. Now, do you see this? I got one of these and I like it a lot. But you don't have to get one of these. You can make your own. I thought I had it around here somewhere, but I don't know. I might have put it somewhere. Anyway, I made when I do my yogurt, I have another bag that I use that's made from a pillowcase, and you could use that too. That would work just perfectly fine, no problem. But I got this. These are not cheap, but they'll last you for a long time. They're about $12 for a bag, but like I said, you can make your own from a pillowcase and be just fine on that. Okay, so then at that point, I'm gonna take that bag, my nut bag, and I like to go flip it inside out. That way it's easier to clean for me. Now, I don't usually filter mine twice, but some people do filter theirs twice. And you're just going to strain it. It's that easy to make this stuff. It's very good for you because you know oat milk, they tell you to eat it for your cholesterol issues and stuff. So, but I do not add any salt because I have hypertension issues, so I steer away from the salt. Oop, I guess you got a mess already. Oh yeah. And you're going to just strain it. And that's all you have to do. It's that easy. It's that incredibly easy to have your own oat milk. Boy, I got a mess here. Jeez. Oh boy. All right. And then at that point, then what you would do is you would take and you would put it in a mason jar and stick it in your refrigerator and you'll cool it. Let it get cool. Like I said, that if it separates, you just give it a little shake, give it a couple of hard shakes and it'll come back together. Then that's all you do. But the mason jars, you want to use the mason jars. I would use the mason jars at least, and that's it. So you've got simple organic oat milk. Anyway, if you like my video today, please give me a thumbs up, and you guys have a nice day, and we'll see you again. Thank you.